Mina's videos is so fire, and this is my first time reacting to that. And it's the stair training with me. And let's watch it. Working with my son to bond and feed with our puppy. Wait, is that me? Perfection, them bonding. Alright. I pet Meena. Let's see how it began. Well, Mina's up the stairs. And... okay.
Good girl. I can give you chicken after this.
Chicken! We're doing the chicken banana dance after this.
Say it in a nice, enticing manner.
I can give you chicken.
Too many words. Meena, look. Chicken. Chicken.
Well,
Say Inda.
that might be pretty creative.
Down the stairs.
Say Inda, chicken. Can you come?
Chicken.
Say Inda.
Chicken.
You know you can't go down the stairs if you're already at the bottom.
Wait, I think she's afraid.
This is the first time you are buying us chicken, not me, right? Meena, go. Say Meena, come.
Bhaskar, stop. Stop looking. Meena, come.
Oh,
This is gonna
man.
take forever.
Yeah, this is gonna take forever.
Yeah, she's coming, look. Good girl.
Why were there images?
Girl. Yes. Go down.
Why were there random images?
Down. 1, 2.
This is all of this video and another random image just showed up again.
Should Meena be part of the Olympic Games?
Sure.
I planned an Olympic Games for all Steel Brain Rod characters.
Okay.
Yep.
It's called the BhaskarPlayz Olympic Games.
Keep going.
Keep going, Meena. Keep going, Meena.
Am I using it in a squeaky voice right now? Ugh. And why do I have the same shirt?
If you do it, Roblox, it's 10 years of bad luck to anyone who doesn't leave a like.
Yeah.
You can do it.
Leave a like if you don't want it 10 years
Call
of bad
her,
luck.
Bhaskar.
Meena?
Good. Yes! Let's go!
Girl.
And as I promised, I'll do the
Pet
chicken
her.
banana dance. Let's do it.
Oreo Thins.
No ad!
Here are new protein pockets. Grab one on the go for just $3. Here are chicken banana, chicken banana, chicken banana, 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 chicken banana, chicken banana, chicken banana, banana, banana.
the chicken banana spins. Whoa, bananas?
Are you ready?
Banana.
Yeah. Get that groovy groove.
Banana. 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 Banana.
He's driving a car.
Banana. Banana.
And here's the ending. It is also party mode and there's some trees appear. I'll let you see the ending.
Allah.
It spins around again. There's trees! Yes. And that's it. Meena is done. That was so good. And if you want to see more videos on Meena, then leave a like, subscribe, and tell me which part was your favorite in the comments. I'll see you guys later and enjoy the next video.